So in today's video, you're going to be watching how I make my life worth living by preparing for my NEET exam as well as with some enjoyment. So stay tuned till the end. So right now I'm doing this chapter, neural control and coordination, which is from 11th grade. And yeah, this is what I have done till now. And right now it's actually like it's gonna be 1:30. So I don't know if we're gonna have some snack lunch because everyone is sick at my home. I don't know, but there's this like viral thing that happens once in a lifetime in Kuwait. And I also had some throat pain. So I think you may see me after a very long time because I couldn't speak. I had like extreme throat pain, but right now I'm back on track, and let's see how many chapters I can do for bio. I'm gonna finish bio. Like, I know the 12th grade chapters, but the 11th grade, I'm trying to revise. I'm gonna do some stuff, and I even made this cheat sheet for like this gymnosports because there were like a lot of points and I couldn't memorize it. So yeah, that is why I am doing all of this, and there are just 3 weeks left for NEET, but let's see how much I can do. One tip I want to give to you guys, especially the people who are just entering in 11th grade, is to not compromise on your notes. Do take notes, and if you have a subject that has a lot of theory like bio or even a commerce student, please take lecture notes and make notes. Don't like make it in a very complicated way. Just write points. Don't correct your grammar. Don't really focus on your grammar. You can correct that later on in your exams, but this is really important because I got a lot of comments saying that making notes is a waste of time and all that, but I feel that is really important to make notes because I am the kind of a person who gets distracted or demotivated easily, and I know there are many people out there who just get bored of studying the same subject and don't see any results coming out of it. Please take notes. These are really important. You won't believe, but it changed my grade, it changed my life, but it was too late because it was the finals. So if you want your 11th grade to be better, and if you're a NEET student in future, it is really obvious that if you're distracted or demotivated, make notes, because it is the most simplest and easiest form to make you guys focus towards the subject, have interest, and definitely you're gonna get good results. I can guarantee that. Make it and keep revising it. Don't just make it and just brush it off. Make cheat sheets as well. I am surely gonna make a video on how to make cheat sheets because this is one thing that I didn't know until like right now or some time before, that cheat sheets are really good for big paragraphs, probably like 2-3 pages, as probably you may have experienced in 11th grade. So don't compromise, take notes and do your best. Okay, so this is where I've done this transmission of impulses. This is till where I've done. I have to finish all this PPT, and then I'm gonna be doing the CNS real quick because I think this is like understandable. Like, I know some stuff, and right now I'm just closing this book because I'm really tired of studying bio and was revising as well. I have to do thermodynamics. This is chemistry, physical, because I'm not really touching the 12th one. I'm gonna be revising that in the last week or something because I know stuff from that. Okay, so here's like a small update of what I did in physics, because I did make a video in hyperlapse, but while editing, I don't know, like some problems were happening. So this is like I'm telling you. So I actually practiced some MCQs over here. They have like a bunch of MCQs, a lot actually. So I did stuff from there, and yeah, and if I was stuck in a question, I just wrote it down. I was almost stuck in most of the questions that were like numericals. Theory part, I have done that. So yeah, I am pretty much done with this, but I want to be done with thermodynamics chapter because that is like really annoying me. I just have to finish it off. Then I did plan kingdom, and I have to do so much more as well. To do neural control and coordination, make cheat sheets, start with animal kingdom. I have to also do cell chapter, and I have to do organic as well. Like I need to keep practicing it. So there are like a lot of things that I have to do, and I have no idea how I'm gonna do it. But anyways, I think this is gonna be my last clip of this video or something. But anyways, I just want to say all the best to all the students appearing for NEET, and wish me all the best as well, because this was like a sudden decision. I wasn't really prepared for it. So yeah, that's why you can see the hustle bustle going on with me and the books. So yeah, so all the best, and until then, I'll see you in the next video.